Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Versa 4 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on the watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with an iPhone via the FITBIT application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the FITBIT application and your iPhone to send the notifications to your watch. To do it, open the settings on your iPhone, find the option called Bluetooth and tap on it, and here find the list of my devices, and on this list you should see your Versa 4. Tap on the info icon next to it. Here make sure that the share system notifications option is enabled. Once it is, go back to the main page of settings, scroll down and look for the FITBIT application. It's gonna be somewhere here. Once you find it, tap on it. Make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled, and you can also enable allow notifications. It's not required, but I recommend to do it. Okay, once you're done with the settings, you can open the FITBIT application. Then tap on the account icon right here in the top left corner. Select your Versa 4 from the list of devices. Now scroll down, tap on notifications, and here we can enable and disable notifications for the different things. We can enable or disable the notifications for calls, text messages, calendar events, and also apps. So if you tap on app notifications, you will have the list of applications. Basically, this list will fill in with the apps that you receive the notifications from. So for now, I just got the notification from Discord, so that's why it's here. But it's gonna fill in with time, my bad. And once you see more applications here, you can enable and disable the notifications for them by tapping on the switch. Basically how it works is, if you enable the notification for the app, the notifications from that app will be forwarded from your iPhone to your watch. If it's disabled, they will just appear on your iPhone but won't appear on your watch. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the app and you should be able to receive the notifications on your iPhone, or rather not iPhone, the watch. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. And I got the notification on our iPhone. We didn't get it on the watch for some reason. Let me reopen the app and recheck everything. So notifications, that's it, it is enabled. Let's try erasing the watch. So let's refresh this page. Hopefully we can also try to reboot the watch at some point, but let's try again. And this time it worked. Basically we needed to wait until the watch resyncs with the phone. And as you can see, we got the notification on our iPhone and also on our watch. And we can read it, clear it. Also, if you miss them, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the notification panel. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.